गाय गाय दान गाय गाय लिखा
हाथी दिलो घोड़ा दिलो आर दिलो पाल
गाय
वो कहने की है तो अपना के वृंदावन तुम्हारे घर हमारे घर में तुम्हारे घर में कंफ्यूज है गाली दूंगा मैं उल्टा से चुपचाप सुन बेटा नंद महाराज के भगवान प्रदत्त होगा इस ब्रह्मांड की होती है उसकी पिताजी के पास हाथी दान करना की साधारण बात है तो ये छुट्टी बजा दीजिए जो ब्रजवासी लिखते हैं ठीक है कहीं लिखा नहीं कि कहीं कोई बात नहीं जो ब्रजवासी कीर्तन करते हाथी जी लोग इसमें लिखा है बोलते कीर्तन करते तो इसमें संशय हो पंडित लोग के संशय करना नहीं आज बोलते हाथी दिलो घोड़ा दिलो आर दिलो बोले बुढ़ों को क्या दिया पूरे वृद्ध लोग के नंद महाराज क्या क्या दान किया बताओ पालकी दान की जो वृद्ध लोग जो पालकी लोग बैठते हैं तो आपके शास्त्र में कहाँ लिखा है ये तो कहोगे तो
गाय गाय
है अरे गोदाम तो ये पहली कहा गया क्योंकि उसके अलावा कितने दान हाथी घोड़े के नंद महाराज ने हाथी घोड़ा किसको दिया आप बताओ दोनों लड़का है ना आप जो जुआ लड़का 17 साल से लेकर के 40 साल तक दोनों पालकी में जो गुरु को लापसी में 4 तक आज वो तो खाने के लिए दौड़ने के लिए घोड़ा भी चाहिए घोड़ा किसको देना चाहिए 17 साल के 14 साल के लड़के से 40 साल तक चोट देता है काम हाथी दिलो घोड़ा दिलो और कितने सुंदर है और खाने के लिए जैसे महाराज यहाँ खाने के लिए कर रहे हैं गुरुओं के क्या दिया जाएगा वृद्ध लोग जो उनको क्या बोले महाराज बोले क्या
So today we are going to discuss the glorification of Srila Swami Maharaj Ji, and there is a beautiful day today also, Nandutsav. So what's happening here?
लाट्टू और जो है उसको किसको दिया जाता है
There is so much noise. Just check. Hindi translation is also available. Hindi broadcast you can check there. So now one person with argument that the Hathi Dina, Ghoda Dini or Dini Palki. So Nand Maharaj didn't give in the elephant. So Gurudev is denying his tarka. He said, don't argument, it is not true. Whatever is written in the transcendental poet, it is true. So whatever the Brajvasi wrote, this is true. So in the Nitya Golok Vrindavan Dham, there, so there is a Krishna Janam Leela, but it's Jan Abhas. Just like Mother Yashoda is thinking, I have given the word to my child Gopal. That's why it is said there are two kinds of Leela, Nitya and Namityak Leelas. So Janam Leela and killing demons Leela, these all are Namityak Leelas. And the Nitya Leelas, just like Ras Leela and other Leelas, these all are Nitya Leelas. So now we are going to further describing. So on this birth celebration from the transcendental one, Golok Vrindavan Dham, Radha Ji's dearest Sakhi, so she came before us in the form of Swami Maharaj. Because the Vaishnavas' disappearance or appearance day, just like the sun is rising and sets, so when it comes before our eyes, so we think, oh, it is rising. When it is disappeared from our eyes, so we used to set. Oh, it is set. So in this way, just like there is no rising and sets of the suns, in the same way there is no disappearance or appearance of the Vaishnavas. And there is no birth and death, Mrityu. So there is no appearance and disappearance of Vaishnavas. So just like there is no killing and death and birth of Krishna, in the same way there is no death and birth of the associates of Krishna's. So he is the dearest Sakhis of Radhaji. So whoever our Guru works, they came in this lineage. in this line.
इसको दृढ़ता करके रखना चाहिए।
So we should have this firm faith.
अच्छा
So now- So he was just pursuing the human being Leela, just like you have heard from Bhaktivinoda Thakur, how he was a district magistrate and how he performed the sajan and how he praised Mahaprabhu's name and Mahaprabhu's dham. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur, so Shivji also came in the dreams of Bhaktivinoda Thakur that why are you going to Vrindavan for performing bhajan? So when Bhaktivinoda Thakur was thinking that I am not performing bhajan so properly, so I will go to bhajan. Tarkeshwar. So there is a Shiv temple, Tarkeshwar. So what happened when Bhaktivinoda Thakur was thinking I will go to Vrindavan? So Shiv gave him dream when he was on the way. There is a temple of Tarkeshwar and Shivji instructed him in the dream that you are the eternal associate of Bhagwan. So why are you performing this kinds of Leela? There is no need to go to Vrindavan. So for the purpose you have come on this world, so you have to fulfill that. So you have to appear the Dham of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, which was captured by the Muslims. And you have to preach the Gaur name also. That's why Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he returned back and he back to Navdeep Dham and performed bhajan in Godrum. So whatever the katha maybe you have heard, so how he has glorified or manifested the Dham. You can go to my dearest most group page and you can check there. It is available. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur's name is Kamal Manjali. So he described his Ekadash Bhav, his 11th Bhav. So who have come into the Dhara in the line of Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada. So there is no need to go to the Bhavadi Sampradaya. Just still stay here and process the bhajan. There is only one process, which is suggested by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Pranadapi sanichena taruropi saishuna. And Rupa Goswami Pad told the same pranali. Ado Shraddha Tato Sadhu Sangha Anarthaniya Bhajan ke liye Anarth Nivrati Tato Sadhu Sangha Anarth Nivrati Siddhi Bhav Prem. So this is the Siddha Pranali. So after chanting the holy name by the mercy of name Nam Prabhu, and if you are associating the Vaishnava and Guru, so Ekadash Bhav and Panchadasha you will get. Just perform, chant the holy name. Sometimes people doesn't chant the holy name and they are saying nothing is happening with me. No, you chant the holy name properly, everything will be happy. So if you have robbed the seeds, so you will not get the fruit in a one day. So just chant the holy name regularly in a proper way, so you will get benefit. So just the association of the sadhu and nam, chant the holy name. And sadhu sang, what is the meaning of sadhu sang? Hari sang, Hari Katha Shravan, listening Hari Katha and serving the Guru and Vaishnava. What is the meaning of sadhu sang? Hearing the Hari Katha, serve the Guru and serve the Vaishnava. So what's my mean to say? So the same Bhaktivinoda Thakur's line, Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj came. No, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. And he took the shelter of Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. And he used to come parikrama. And he used to say with the Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, and Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada given him instruction directly, just go to abroad and preach there. So he was thinking in his mind, so there are many disciples of Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, just like Bhakti Hridayavan Goswami Maharaj, who has so sharp-minded what to speak about that.
7 दिन में
only just 7 days.
जर्मन भाषा को क्या कर दिया?
So he has learned the German language,
मैंने सीख लिया और जर्मन में प्रचार किया
and he preached the German in big intelligent people and who are so much wealthy. And he has given the bhakti to the German peoples. And when people was hearing that there is a Indian came in German and he is speaking English so hard, so high. So if you are reading the scriptures, books of Bhakti Hridayavan Goswami Maharaj, so you cannot understand that because his English level is so high, was so high.
ये सब तब टाइम सन्यासी है और मैं तो केवल गृहस्थ हूं, मैं कैसे प्रचार करूं? So
Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj was thinking that I am the grahast, that how can I preach all over the world? So Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada given him instructions 40 years back. So after 40 years he came to know that I have to preach. So what he did, he did so many works and all got failed, and he came to Allahabad. And at least what he did, so in Mathura, just like we are giving the example of Sheshai Prabhu, Srila Gurudev used to say, here it is Bengali Ghat where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took bath. So near the Bengali Ghat, he got one room for rent, and he used to start a business of some medicines. But there was no so much earnings. Still, so he was so much suffering that time. So one day, Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj, he went to morning walk. He met with him, and Prabhuji, why are you here? And he told all the history. So just leave everything and stay with us in our mutt. Huh? So who will stay me in the mutt? So everybody will tell me, so you have given all the property to your family members, so now you have come to the mutt, so all will tease me. So Swami Maharaj said like this, so whatever the property you gain in your youthful, so you have given all them to your children and wives, and at the old age you have come into the mutt. So in this way he said, no, I don't want to join the mutt. So Gurudev said that there is no need to worry. There is no need to worry. Just so I will clean your pots. Everything I will be arranged. So whatever you need, we will provide you. You just don't worry. You just come. So he denied. So one day Gurudev, what he did? Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj, what he said? He went to him. So whatever the luggage he has, he put on the rickshaw and come with me. There is nothing to do in the mutt. Yes. So whatever the Hindi Patrika, Bhagavad Patrika, so all this katha they will not tell in the ISKCON. So whenever people are writing, so they write so much, but they are never describing the truth. We have heard from the Sheshai Prabhu, and Srila Gurudev also described all these things. Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj, he caught him by the rickshaw and all, so he put all the luggage in my room where I am staying nowadays, and he stayed here. So after some months, Srila Param Gurudev Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, he came here in this Keshav Ji Gaudiya Mutt. So at that time, so there was a Vishwarup Mahotsav which is going to about to come. So at that time, Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj, he told him, you just take sannyas. So Swami Maharaj said, sannyas? No. Oh, anyhow I am staying here in the mutt, so now you are talking about sannyas. I cannot take sannyas. And what is the duty of sannyasi? He should preach. So it is good that I am staying in the temple. So after taking sannyas, everybody has to preach.
अच्छा चलो तो प्रचार करना चाहिए।
So everybody has to preach and go everywhere. Sannyasi. This is the duty of the sannyasi wherever you are going.
इसलिए वो कदम नहीं लेना।
So that's why he didn't want to take sannyas. So again and again, when Srila Gurudev Narayana Goswami Maharaj was telling him, you should take sannyas, take sannyas, take sannyas. So that time what happened? There was a Sanatan Prabhu. He was also so much aged. He was just 90 years old. So he is also older than you and he is going to take sannyas. So Sanatan Goswami Prabhu and Swami Maharaj, they would like to take sannyas. So at the same day they took sannyas. Swami Maharaj, Sanatan Prabhu and the Bhaktivedanta Muni Maharaj. So you can never heard this katha from ISKCON. I guarantee you. Only ISKCON, I go to Brazil, who is the sannyas guru? They are not aware about that. So if I ask the question, who took the sannyas from who took the sannyas? To whom? So they used to say one of the Brahman in Mathura, he gave the sannyas to him. When I went to Brazil first time, so I was asking the question that from where Swami Maharaj took sannyas. So they said, I don't know, we don't know, we are not aware about that. So there was a nearest ISKCON, so I tell just go and ask to that where. So what they said, so Swami Maharaj has taken sannyas from the Brahman of Mathura. So who is the Brahman in Mathura? Just like I told a whole the story, just like Indra. So Indra abuses Krishna. So I told them whole the story. So who was that Brahman in Mathura? Srila Gurudev Narayana Goswami Maharaj, he arranged all the things. And Narayana Goswami Maharaj is also a Brahman, and Narayana Goswami Maharaj arranged everything for sannyas for him, for Swami Maharaj. And he was a Brahman, he is the Brahman of Mathura, and he is the topmost Brahman in Mathura. Tiwari Brahman, he was the Tiwari Brahman. So I told him all the katha, then I told, so look, so how he is taking the sannyas, and I told all the stories. Srila Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, he has taken sannyas from him. So Bhaktivedanta Narayana Goswami Maharaj encouraged him so much. So Swami Maharaj accept these things because again and again you were inspiring me, that's why I took sannyas. So at the time of sannyas, Srila Gurudev, so whatever the requirements of sannyas, he did everything. So for coloring the clothes, door coping, bahirvas, danda, everything was managed by Srila Gurudev. Srila Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj giving him Gopi Mantra Sannyas Mantra, and whatever the all process is done by Narayana Goswami Maharaj. That's why. So that saint person said that he has taken sannyas from Mathura's Brahman. So it is true because Narayana Goswami Maharaj, they are not aware about that. Oh, they don't. They doesn't tell the people that he has taken sannyas from Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. That's why many people are not aware about that from where he has taken sannyas, Swami Maharaj. So where we are sitting at the place, in the same temple, at the same place, Srila Gurudev did the Havan, fire sacrifices. Vishwasnaya Swaha. So everything was done here. So where you are sitting at right now, so he took sannyas here. So every year we have seen from our eyes Gopal Krishna Maharaj, Gopal Krishna Maharaj, Tamal Krishna Maharaj, Pujyapat Giriraj Maharaj, Pujyapat Satswarup Maharaj. All so
विशाल भंडारा
So,
होता था।
so at the day of sannyas of Swami Maharaj, sannyas day, everybody used to come here.
संबंध बहुत सुंदर था।
At the time, the relationship was so nice.
इसलिए ये पर सन्यास, ये सन्यास की स्थान है।
So this is the place of sannyas of him.
ये जो है एक मेमोरियल स्थान है।
This is actually a memorial place
इतने जो है, क्योंकि ये पवित्र भूमि।
because this is a very pious land. This Keshavji Gaudiya Math is not an ordinary place.
सन्यास
Swami Maharaj taken sannyas from here,
सन्यास लेने के बाद उन्हें प्रचार
and after taking the sannyas, he went to preach. He went to Jhansi.
हमारे शेषाई प्रभु
Our Sheshai Prabhu.
से जुड़ा जो 3 साल 4 साल हो गए से प्रकट हो गए ना।
So maybe 3-4 years happened. He disappeared.
रघुनाथ प्रभु
Ranganath Prabhu. So they all are the witness. They used to tell everything. And he went to Jhansi, but the preaching was not successful there. So whatever the big one.
महाप्रभु
So the Mahaprabhu you are seeing here in the Keshavji Gaudiya Math, the big one of Mahaprabhu's Bigra,
विग्रह जो है चैतन्य
it was served by Swami Maharaj.
उनके ही पूजित विग्रह है। ये कोई साधारण विग्रह
So this is not an ordinary Vigra. So it is mentioned in the scriptures. If it is any Vigra served by Mahapurush, and if so it will give you the power. It is mentioned in the Haribhakti Vilas that if you do the Dandavat Pranam and offer your obeisance to that Vigra, so it will give you power. So the Vigra which is served by the Mahapurush, just like Madhavendra Puripad, he manifested Gopalji. Sanatana Vamsapad, he has manifested Madan Mohan. Madan Mohan. Rupa Vamsapad he has manifested Govinda Dev. These all are not ordinary Vigras. So it was manifested by earlier Bajnath. So if there is any Prachi in the old Vigra and if it is served by any kinds of highly Vaishnav, so there is so much importance of that Vigra. It is mentioned in the Haribhakti Vilas. So it is already clarified. So this is our Vigra, Radha Krishna Vigra. It is served by, it is manifested by Param Guru Maharaj, Bhakti Pragyan Shila Keshav Goswami Maharaj. So these all are Vigras, not ordinary Vigra. These Vigra, this Vigra is manifested and served by Swami Maharaj. So this Vigra has so much capability. Just here in the Keshavji Gaudiya Math, the big Swami Maharaj Vigra, big Mahaprabhu's Vigra. What? So now you tell me.
उनके प्रकाशित और पूजित विग्रह, उनके प्रकाशित और पूजित विग्रह और ये उन्होंने समझ तो इस स्थान के श्रेष्ठ स्थान कहाँ पर हो सकता है?
So which is the place you cannot find the topmost place from from here. Srila Gurudev Narayana Goswami Maharaj,
इतने प्रशंसा क्यों करते हैं?
why he praised him so much?
विदेश में सब गुरुदेव जब जाते हैं हम देखा साक्षात रूप में
Wherever we go to the foreign country, I have seen myself when we used to go with Gurudev in the western countries.
कम से कम जहाँ पर 7 दिन के प्रोग्राम हो,
So if there is 7 days program, so 4 days, 3 or 4 days, Srila Gurudev used to speak about Swami Maharaj, glorification of Swami Maharaj. But still at that time, this was the condition, because there are big sannyasi who has taken the initiation from Swami Maharaj. Even the Guru, so they didn't keep the shikha also. They have left their kanthi mala, neck beads, and some are going for Babaji Sampradaya, some are going somewhere, Ashtasiddhi, Navasiddhi, for Swarup Gyan. But Gurudev, what he did? So he described the glorification of Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj. England, Holland, European country, So wherever I went with Srila Gurudev,
साईं महाराज की कथा सुना
so Gurudev used to tell the glorification of Swami Maharaj. They would like to preach Swami Maharaj that please listen the glorification of your Guru, because many people have abandoned Swami Maharaj after his disappearance. So Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, he used to write, he used to write the commentary of Srimad Bhagavatam and Gita in the Damodar temple at Vrindavan.
वहीं पर जो ले गए थे उनके आदर नहीं किया, उन्होंने प्रचार करने के लिए ही प्रयास किया, किंतु एक साल प्रचार में सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुआ.
So in India he was not able to successfully preach. So in this duration what happened, Srila Swami Maharaj,
उनके साथ कैसे कोऑपरेशन रखते थे.
so he had so much cooperation with Srila Gurudev. Swami Maharaj and Swami Maharaj has so much cooperation. Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, so he has written so many letters to Srila Gurudev. And Srila Gurudev, he sent Kartal, Brajvasi Peda, Brajvasi Peda, he used to send and Mridang. So he had a deep relationship with Gurudev. So that's why he told that my Shiksha Guru and Prabandhu. So and Gurudev manifested his Grantha. It is true. We should understand this. Many people are not aware about this. Swami Nitinam. Namaste Saraswati Deve Gaurvani Prachanine Vijay Sunyavadi Pashad Deshatarane. In the Western countries, it is not easy to preach in Western countries. Now if we are doing something here, 50 people can be assembled here. But in the Western countries, it's really hard to collect 5 people. People used to think you cannot collect the 5 people in the Western countries. It's really hard to preach in the Western countries. Chandra ki jai. And if you are saying this here, Ramchandra Katha, so everybody will come here. But if you are preaching the same Katha into the foreign country, so no one will come. So it's really hard to collect 5-10 people in the foreign countries. That's why he has written in his letters everything mentioned. So I'm clarifying about one letters what he wrote from Srila Gurudev Maharaj Ji. I am trying to preach here, but still. So I have the accent, different accent. So if someone Indian is speaking English, so he has his own accent. You are Hindi Bhashi, so you have a Hindi accent. So I am Bengali, so I have Bengali accents. Bengali. So if I speak Hindi, so my accent will be Bengali. In the same way, he was Bengali Indian, and when he was preaching foreign countries in English, so his accent was different. He wrote in his letter. So sometimes I think, so 40% they are not able to understand what I am speaking. 60% they can understand. Still, they used to come, so listen to me. So he has mentioned in this letter. So and gradually what he saw. So one day he decided that I don't want to preach here, and Bhagwan doesn't want that I should preach here, because without the wish of Bhagwan, nothing can be happen. So our leaves cannot be moved here and there without the wish of Bhagwan. So that's why he was thinking it is a wish of Bhagwan that I don't preach in the Western countries. So Mahaprabhu himself said, without my mercy. So Mahaprabhu said himself, he said in the Chaitanya Charitamrita, so without my mercy, no one can preach. If I not bestow my mercy upon someone, so he cannot manifest it, he cannot preach the Sankirtan Dharma. So that's why he was thinking it is the wish of Mahaprabhu that I don't preach in Western countries, and so I am not capable to preach. So 1 year happened, he was wandering here and there. So he was visiting in New York City. So he was sitting at the Tomsting Park in New York. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Nityananda Prabhu Nityananda. Shri Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. So at the time what happened, so one hippies was going on there. So all hippies, boyfriend, girlfriend, they are so much intoxicated in sense gratification. They were LSD means so high level alcohol, and they are drinking and they were not understanding anything, but they were dancing. So within 3 days what happened, everybody has become a great devotee. So I'm telling you in a short. So I'm not telling anything artificially. So you can find that movie also, video clip. So you can find the YouTube. Shamrani Didi was also there. Tamal Krishna also there. Tamal Krishna Maharaj also there. You can see yourself in the YouTube. So they were hippies. So from hippies they become happy. And all shaved their heads. They put shekha, they putting tilak. So everybody became brahmachari. And at the time what happened, they were so much scholar, learned people. They are not ordinary personalities. All are so much scholars, so much intelligent. And they were so much wealthy from their house. Tamal Krishna Maharaj, not an ordinary person. He was very wealthy person. He belongs to a very rich family. If you heard his story, life story, so you will come to know. So all has taken the brahmachari. So they used to give the dictation, and so in a very short times he has manifested so many granths. Chaitanya Charitamrita he manifested, he published in English, Srimad Bhagavatam in English. So he has published so many granthas, or not only one language, in many different kinds of language. It's all over, preached all over the world, published all over the world. Lakh. So Western devotees, in a very huge number, Western devotees are assembled with him, connected with him. So within 10 years, Swami Maharaj, he has preached all over the world. Not only, it's not enough just. Srila Gurudev used to say himself, we have heard from Swami, our Gurudev. So Swami Maharaj is the manifestation, incarnation of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is the Avish Avatar. Without the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, how he can do? Nothing. It's not possible. So he was just 70 before the chariot of Jagannath Rath Yatra. He was 70 years old and he was dancing so loudly that time. And he was wearing the red clothes. He was a sannyasi and he took a gong and he was dancing and he was looking like a Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So he was dancing in the same way that at the time of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Swarup Damodar and their associates used to dance. So without the mercy of Mahaprabhu, it's not possible. So in the same line, Srila Gurudev, he preached in the foreign country. So there were many obstacles comes in his way for preaching in the Western countries, but still. So this is the language of Gurudev. You have awake. So I am the loin sons, Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj's sons. So I was just lying, I was just sleeping, and now I have came into the Western countries and you have pinged me. So that's why. So the loin's son is always loin. He is not a donkey. So that's why Srila Gurudev, he has made the dance all the people on his finger. Just like Swami Maharaj preached all over the world and he performed, he preached Nam Sankirtan in the same way Srila Gurudev, in the same tradition, he has glorified the vichar of Swami Maharaj. He has spread it all everywhere. And especially Srila Gurudev, he has preached all over the world the Rupa Goswami Pad, philosophy, his views, and all over the world. Otherwise, it's not possible that how peoples are leaving everything and coming to Srila Gurudev. That's why Srila Gurudev, he has so much prabhav, effect. So in the same parampara, Srila Madhav Maharaj Ji, Srila Tirth Maharaj Ji, all are going to the western countries and preaching everywhere. So in the one word, so this is the gift of Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj and Srila Gurudev's mercy. If Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, he didn't go to the foreign country, the western countries, so we cannot do this kinds of preaching. Who spread the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Vani? So I am just telling one short story and I will finish here. So when Gurudev went to foreign western country, so in the first lecture Srila Gurudev said that Swami Maharaj came to western countries and he said that Krishna is Bhagwan, Ishvara Param Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadharadigo Sarva Karan Karanam. He said like this. So now I would like to make you forget this katha. Just forget this. Krishna is not Bhagwan. Krishna So Krishna is the family member of the Brajvasis. So people were not able to understand his katha. So some people is distracted. So our Prabhupada, Swami Maharaj said that Krishna is Bhagwan, and you are saying Bhagwan is Krishna is not Bhagwan. So he said that Brajvasi doesn't think that he is Bhagwan. So in the second class, Gurudev told the same katha. If you have the opulences mentality that Krishna is Bhagwan, so you cannot develop the Braj Prem. In the same way, Swami Maharaj said that. So Swami Maharaj created the platform for bhakti. Opulences, Ishwar Buddhi, that Krishna is Bhagwan, because you are the sadhak. But after performing bhajan, when you get mature in bhajan, then you will understand that Krishna, what kind of relationship we have with Krishna. Krishna is my friend, Krishna is my son, or Krishna is my beloved. Madhurya. So what kind of relationship we have? So Gurudev used to tell this story in a very deep way, because general people cannot understand all these. So Swami Maharaj told all this katha. So in this way, he told all these things. Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, whatever the platform he has created, so on that platform, Srila Gurudev, so he make the temple and he told to everybody the Braj Prem Katha. Just like Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada very humbly used to say, what the things I would like to, I came here to give, but my life all go on away for cutting the forest. So Swami Maharaj cutted all the forest, he cleaned the forest and he roped the seeds, nourishment. So, and the Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj, he nourished it, that tree. So that's why Swami Maharaj, he has given Shri Krishna book. If you read the Swami Maharaj Shri Krishna book, so Raslila Katha is also there. So Swami Maharaj doesn't speak this kinds of katha. No, there is a clarification. He has described Raslila also there. So Gurudev used to tell this story. So some people used to say our Swami Maharaj, he is not a Madhur Ras. So just bring his book, Chaitanya Charitamrita. So read his commentary. Chaitanya Charitamrita Adi Leela, 4th Parichet. So if you read the commentary of Swami Maharaj, so the English commentary, then you will make understand. So Gurudev was like that. So Gurudev always used to, tell all these peoples whatever you have Gurudev written, just read there. So read the commentary of Swami Maharaj, then you will understand how you can say that Swami Maharaj is not the Madhur Ras, doesn't belong from Madhur Ras. So whatever the person who are coming from the Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada lineage, so they belongs to Madhur Bhav. So that's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu written Anarpit Charitu Charat like this. So Srila Gurudev, he used to tell all these things. Our Padma Maharaj. So at last Gurudev, he given the conclusion, because some people have this kind of misguided that his Gurudev was not from Madhur Bhav. So that's why Gurudev cut all the philosophy of those peoples and tell that Gurudev, Swami Maharaj belongs to from Madhur Ras. I'm just 1 second, I'm just stopping. Now Gurudev is totally in mood. He doesn't want to stop here. Mother Marji is again saying stop. So if you read the commentary of Swami Maharaj, then you will come to know. Some people used to say Swami Maharaj, Narayan Maharaj. Whatever the katha we are speaking right now, it has been given the katha from your Gurudev. Bhaktivinoda Thakur katha, Ekadash Bhav, Panchadasha, everything is mentioned there. So he became Sajiya. Who is Sajiya? Sajiya means who doesn't know about these all things, so he calls Sajiya. Sajiya Gopi Prem Kamunakao. Sahaj Bhav, spontaneously happen love in the heart of somebody. This is called Sahajiya. So in the Gurudev Prakat Leela, at that time, I remember at the appearance of Swami Maharaj, there was so much people, many whole crowd was here at this temple, Keshavji Gaudiya Math. This is true actually. So Srila Gurudev, he used to say, so do not, there is no need to go here and there in Babaji Sampradaya and other. So your Gurudev belongs to Radharani's Madhurya Bhav. Just like some acharyas, they never given their introduction, some given their introduction. So what is the use of this? No problem in this. So who will give the introduction that who am I, who is so much deep? So in the same way, Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, today is Avirbhav Tithi. He is the Sevika Manjari of Radharani. So whatever thus you understand according to you will Vijay Kumar or Vajanav, they have taken the Diksha from one Guru. Vijay Kumar, he is introducing himself Madhur Ras, and Vajanav, Brajanath, Sakhya Ras. So whatever the ras, so if you have that kind of ras, so you will see your Guru in the same mood. So there is no need to fight in this. So one Guru has two disciples, so both are chanting the Gopal mantra. This is a proof of Jap Dharma. What to more should I give you the explanation or the proof? So whatever you say, so my Gurudev is Sakhya Ras, so no problem in that. If you go to the Brajanath Dal, if you say Gurudev Vijay, so if you say that I am from the Madhur Ras, so Vijay Kumar will manifest his Swarup. So everything is mentioned in the Jaiv Dharma, which is the Siddha Swarup of Vijay and what is the Siddha Swarup of Vrajanath.
विजय के क्या माधुर्य रस है ना।
Vijay has the Madhurya Rath.
सबसे बढ़िया मनोरमा सखी है।
And he is Manorama Sakhi. Vijay's name is there mentioned.
मैं तो कहा कि आपके सबसे सामने देखो जगदम्बा पढ़ करके देखो।
Just read Jadon and then you will come to know.
गुरुदेव ने कहा,
So his Gurudev told himself that your Swarup Parichaya, introduction of your Swarup is Manorma.
देखो हम चैलेंज देते हैं जगदम्बा लिया हम दिखा देते हैं।
I will show you if you bring the Jav Dharma.
और विजय कुमार
Brajnath, and the Brajnath, he is from the Sakras. We are not going to discuss about all these things. So whatever I am telling you, I have the proof. So one Guru has two disciples and they are chanting the same mantra. So some are going to the Sakyara, some are going to the Madhurya. So from that day, when Gurudev told him that you have this kind of Swarup, Sakhi Bhav, and I am telling you the name, that you have this name. So you have this name, you have to serve this. Just like Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, my name is Kamal Maji, I have this service, I have Basan and everything. He told like this. In the same way, Jav Dharma, he told everything to Vijay Kumar. Gurudev read us, teach us, learn us Jav Dharma. It took 5 years. You can ask to Madam Maharaj. We used to study here. For 5 years, Gurudev teach us Jav Dharma. It is mentioned in the Jav Dharma clearly. Some people used to ask where it is mentioned. Vijay Kumar, he has given the introduction of his Swarup. Where is his name? And Gurudev underlined there. His name is Manorama Sakhi. Clarified it is. Many people used to read Jav Dharma, but it is not. They are not actually reading. They are just passing time. So in the same way, so I don't want to fight. Some Swami Maharaj disciples say, my Gurudev is Sakyaras. Okay, it's good. We are not against you. Just like Brajnath said, our Gurudev is Sakyaras. From that day, Brajnath, so he used to live in the Subals, under the guidance of Subal. And as from that day, his Gurudev gave the introduction. So Vijay, he used to take the darshan of the Radhaji's maid servant. So in our tradition, Radhaji is standing services, just like Narottam Das is writing in this way, Kavai Loknath mere sange de jave. Sanatana Das Thakur in the same way saying, my Gurudev Loknath Das Goswami Manjulali will lead me to Rupa Manjari, and Rupa Manjari will lead to me Shri Radharani in the service of Radharani. That's why Rupa Guru Bhajan, they perform the bhajan under the guidance of Rupa Goswami Pad. That's why our Guru Padma, all Guru works, they are coming from the same tradition. So if you go to the Sakyaras, so if you are Sakyaras, so you will go here and there, and if you are Madhurya, so you will march forward. You have Manjari Swarup. It will be manifested after performing bhajan sadhan. It will be manifest after association of the sadhu. You will get that. So I am offering my Dandavat Pranam again and again to Swami Maharaj. Whatever I heard from Swami Maharaj, so that's why I have tried to express my feelings. So Swami Maharaj appearance days today, so that's why those whose feeling and his views enter my heart. So if you want to watch Aarti, you can come to the Hindi page. Hare Krishna.